Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and this time we are making a baking soda bread. It's kind of similar to the baking powder bread I made a little while back, so let's get started.
Only 4 simple ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 2 cups or 450 milliliters of buttermilk. Yes, it has to be buttermilk. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. No, you can't substitute baking powder here. In a mixing bowl, put flour, salt, baking soda, and buttermilk, and mix it together with a spoon until it becomes a sticky dough. Then pour it into a greased bread pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. I cut a slit down the middle about 5 minutes after I put it in the oven to give it this form. Immediately after taking it out of the oven, brush the top of the bread with butter and allow it to cool completely before removing it from the pan. Here you can see it cut into. It's very similar to my baking powder bread in consistency and taste, but it's a great alternative if you don't happen to have baking powder on hand. This bread is soft and has a fairly neutral flavor. It makes a great sandwich bread, and the recipe couldn't be simpler to make. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For a complete list of all our recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Tag us if you make this yourself. We love seeing your creations. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.